I'm Kelly Jarvis, the Director of Research and Community Health at NPC Research. My team and I are delighted to be working with the DC Bar Foundation to evaluate the Civil Legal Counsel Projects program. The CLCPP is a network of 6 legal services organizations working together to help low-income DC residents who are facing eviction. At NPC Research, we harness the power of data to support and improve service programs. And to do this for the CLCPP, over the last year and a half, we have worked closely with partners to broaden and standardize their data collection. The data that we'll be collecting will help us not only assess the program's impact, so to understand, for example, how many tenants are able to stay in their homes. It will also help us investigate the program's implementation. For example, who's receiving services when, and what kinds of service models work best under which circumstances. Together, these data will help the DC Bar Foundation and the CLCPP partners to not only understand the impact of the program, but to also understand how they might strengthen it. We're still early in the study, but we have a sneak peek for you of what we've been learning so far. From August 2019 to June 2020, CLCPP services were provided to more than 2,500 individuals from every ward in the city. The median household income for these tenants was a little over $1,000 a month, and 9 out of 10 of them faced a landlord with an attorney. In the 8 months before the COVID-19 pandemic, when the landlord-tenant court was operational, nearly half of CLCPP clients received representation from an attorney, either limited or full in scope. And early data on outcomes are really encouraging. Across 900 clients who received extended representation and whose attorneys were able to close their cases, 3/4 were able to stay in their homes. We're learning also about the power of a network approach for legal services. With support from the DC Bar Foundation, the 6 CLCPP partners have formed an integrated and coherent network. They actively coordinate their services, they share information, and they leverage resources. And the benefits of these partnerships have been many. Their close collaboration enabled them to quickly adapt to the changing circumstances that came along with the COVID-19 pandemic. When the court had to close its doors to abide social distancing regulations, the partners were quickly able to come together and align their efforts to reach and serve low-income tenants during these uncertain times. No doubt we will learn a lot studying the CLCPP, and we are at the beginning of this journey. If you're interested in learning more about the evaluation, please reach out to DCBF staff. They will be able to connect you with other resources and reports. Thank you.